Hello there, it's Ricardo from Static Caravans and Holiday Homes in Breen, North Somerset. So today we're going to be taking a look at this one behind us. So this is the 2016 Swift Bordeaux. It's 38 by 12, 3 bedrooms, and it's currently on the market for 34,995. Let's go take a look around. Okay, then let's get started. So as you can see, this is the front of the holiday home. You can see it's got large front-facing windows. It's got LED downlights just there as well. Let's head on inside. Okay then, so when you first walk through, you've got your integrated fridge and freezer below. In here's where your boiler's kept. And then you've got your kitchen area over here. Little towel rail just here. Of course, drawers. There's your cooker. Splashback just there. Extractor fan above with storage over the side. Plug sockets in the corner. There's your sink with storage below. Window looking out, space there for your microwave, plug sockets behind the toaster, and then you've got your cut-off point just here with storage as well. And then just behind me you've got your freestanding dining area, so 4 chairs across the table, and then you've got your radiator just next to that as well. Then going through from the kitchen area to the living area goes from lino to carpet, bringing that warm feeling. Seating area just here with a pull-out bed, coffee table in the middle. Has some puffies there that are actually inside it, so you can pull that out if you want to put your feet up. Over here is your electric fireplace, spot there for your TV. Of course, you've got your mirror on the wall there with a little glass shelf. Here's your other seating area. You've got plug sockets there with USB ports, of course more shelves and a nice picture. And as you already noticed, you've got the front-facing windows letting in all that natural light. So just down the hallway, you've got some hooks up here for your coats and jackets. In here's your bathroom, so you see you've got pedestal wash basin, mirror cabinet just there. There's your toilet, radiator just here, and then here you've got your shower. In here's the first guest bedroom, so when you first walk in, radiator, shelf, plug sockets and a mirror. There's a wardrobe, of course 2 single beds, bedside unit in the middle with plug sockets and overhead storage. And then you've got your second guest bedroom, so you've got a wardrobe just here, 2 single beds, plenty of space in between, bedside unit there with plug sockets, overhead storage, and then just here you've got your mirror, plug sockets, shelf, and then radiator just down there. And coming through to the master bedroom, see double bed with bedside unit either side. There's your radiator, of course plug sockets, overhead storage, and a nice headboard just there as well. Just over here you've got your dressing area, so plenty of shelves and storage. You can have your TV on the wall there, as you can see. And then here you've got your wardrobe with drawers below. And then finally, just behind the door here, you've got your separate toilet en suite. So of course toilet, radiator, pedestal wash basin, mirror just there, and shelves just up there. There we go, that's the end of the tour. I hope you've enjoyed it. Of course, if you are interested and you want to learn more about our site and what plots we have available, the best way to get hold of me is to call me on my direct line, which is 07510 258 875. I do have my email in the description of this video and also an inquiry form you can fill out, and I will be in touch as soon as I can. But again, I hope you've enjoyed the video and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye bye.